Keniesha.
Done popped up in the neighborhood.
She loves beauty,
hair,
and living life.
cause she's good.
She's cheap
And she budget.
She loves the shop.
You know the fun don't stop.
It's Keniesha's block.
This is a 1-bedroom apartment here in Los Angeles, California. So I figured before we furnish it and everything like that, we'll go ahead and give you guys a little quick apartment tour or whatever. But it's a cool little apartment. So when you first walk in, this is the door where I just came in from. To the left, there's a little closet. And then to this side is the kitchen. But let me tell y'all, we got all new appliances. We got a nice little stove. You know, it's all new. I set the time and everything is 2:28. We got a fridge, a new fridge. You can even see it still has the little sticker in there. We went to the store real quick down the street, Poppy store. Got us a little drinks. And then the freezer. When I tell y'all, this feels so good in here. It feels so good in there. We have lots of cabinets. Lots and lots of cabinets and cabinet space. Turn around, you have more cabinet space. I'll show y'all this. Because that one, I can't really reach it. So I don't think I'm gonna try to reach it. I can reach this one, and I'll show you guys that one. But that, and that one, for sure I ain't reaching that, so y'all ain't gonna see it. But these, they're really deep too, so it's a lot. It's a lot. And we got these. That one, I probably won't put anything up there because I can't reach it. But it's fine, you know. Sink, we got a double sink. Got this, it changes, you know, those thingies that change. We have our AC. Let me tell y'all, this AC does not work. We got approved for this place a month ago and we finally moved in. We told them our day and the AC still don't work. But hello? It still don't work. Remind you, we're supposed to have a Nest. So they're coming in tomorrow morning. They're gonna fix the AC and put in a Nest. Like, they're not gonna put this back. So when we furnish the apartment, y'all will see a Nest, not this, because I don't know what that is. One of the cars came at the perfect time. We shipped both of our cars. One of the cars just came. This is our room. So we have a 1-bedroom. That's more window, more privacy stuff that we shouldn't show you. Shouldn't show you guys here. Put the shade back down a little bit. Okay. There's only 1 bedroom in this place. As you can see, there's a closet. Okay. So we put some stuff in there. It's a really nice size closet. I'll show you guys what that is in a second, but you probably already know. Ooh, cha. Whew. It's smaller, but it's more, you know, plump. We just have to be careful with, you know, this, because even though there's a stopper there, you know, it's not gonna do too much, but whatever. Next is the bathroom. We were thinking about even getting a portable washer and put that right in there, because this isn't it. There's no washer and dryer in unit. So we're thinking about putting that there. Let me show y'all the views. We do have a little deck out here. It's really tiny, you know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy. It's cute. It's very cute. We bought a little shade that we can put up here. But it's really cute, and that's the view. And that's on, period. It's the two trees for me. Close him up. That's the one-bedroom apartment in Los Angeles, California, downtown LA, and we pay about $1,600 a month. I am definitely gonna have a furnished apartment tour coming soon. Thanks for watching another video on Keniesha's Black.